everyone, welcome back to the channel. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create Toolost accounts in just a few simple steps. Toolost is a powerful music distribution platform that helps you get your music out to all major streaming services. So if you're ready to take your music career to the next level, stay tuned. First, let's head over to the Toolost website. Open your browser and type in toolost.com. Once you're on the home page, you will see a sign up button at the top right corner. Click on that to get started. Next, you need to fill in your basic information like your email address, your first name, your last name, your display name. Then you have to create a password and then choose account type, and then you have to now click on register. So let me go ahead and quickly enter my basic information. Alright, so now that I've entered my basic information, the next thing I want to do is to choose a secured password, and then I just have to scroll down and select my account type. So I'm going to select this one, and then the next thing I have to do is to scroll down and turn on this toggle button to accept terms of use, and then I have to now come down here and click on register. Alright, so the next thing we have to do is to verify our email. Now I just have to come to my email and click on confirm, and then that will take us to our Toolost dashboard, and then we now just have to come over here and click on this go to user portal, and then this will take us to our dashboard. Right, but there are still a couple more things we need to complete, like to verify identity and to choose subscription. So I'll click on this verify identity, and then I will give a name just like this, my full name, and then I'll enter my last name, and then I'll click on this start verification. Once verification is completed, you'll be requested to use your ID for verification, or you can use your phone camera to take a selfie. Once that is completed, it's very easy. Then what you just have to do next is to now choose your subscription plan. Right, for me, I just want to complete that letter, so I'll just come down here and click on complete letter, and that will now land me on my dashboard. Right, so I have my dashboard up and running. So that's it on how to create Toolost account. If this video was helpful to you, give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more helpful tips like these. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.